Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, hello and welcome. My name is Megan. Today's video is going to be an iPhone 14 unboxing setup as well as a Caseify unboxing, as they are the sponsor of today's video. So I figure we can just get right into the video and right into the unboxing. So I actually did the trade-in option, so I'll be trading in my old phone. I have the 12 Pro and then I got the iPhone 14 Pro, and so they had like a little bit of a trade-in value if you did it that way. So they shipped me it. I think it said it was supposed to come on the 28th. It came like a week or two before. It was on back order, but this is my first time opening it up. Here she is. Super cute. So this is the color I got. It's super pretty in person. I'll show you guys it better in the other lighting, but it's kind of like a darker purple shade, and it has the 3 camera lenses that really stick out. I didn't notice how much they stick out, but super cute. And I actually finally have a higher gigabytes, so I won't run out of storage nearly as fast. Okay, so while my phone is doing the transfer, it's basically transferring everything from my original phone to my new phone. I think it's gonna take like 30-ish minutes, so during that time I just wanted to unbox and introduce you guys to the sponsor of today's video, which is Caseify. I actually did a collaboration with Caseify a few videos ago, which was super exciting just to get to try out their stuff. I feel like you always hear about Caseify because it is one of the most popular tech brands for a reason. It is very high quality and they offer so many different styles. Personally, ever since shifting over to Caseify, I don't think I'll ever use another phone brand. I just think their stuff is super high quality, and I really appreciate that they have really good protective nature for the phone. I feel like I can trust carrying my phone. If I were to drop my phone, I'm not worried about it breaking, which obviously is very important to me as I just invested in a new phone. They take a lot of pride in their standards when it comes to quality and protection. They are 20% more effective. They go through drop tests up to 150 times each, and they have a 21-foot drop protection, which is honestly pretty high. Along with them being super durable, super protective, they're also just very cute. I feel like sometimes it's hard to find a cute case that's also protective, but Caseify has you covered all the way around so that you can have a cute stylish phone case, but it still is going to protect your phone. Additionally, something that I really love and support about Caseify is that they partner with artists and they have a really big emphasis on sustainability. They have diverse and global partners when it comes to artists that they collaborate with, and when it comes to their sustainability, they will recycle over 50,000 cases. And they also offer more than just cases. They also have accessories, which I'm actually super excited that I get to try in this video. They were kind enough to send me basically everything that I would need for my new phone. So they sent over a phone strap, screen protector, camera lens protector, and then obviously the case. So without further ado, I just wanted to introduce the brand to you guys, but let's just get into the fun part, which is unboxing and seeing the styles that I chose. I always love how cute their packaging is. I'm so excited. So they sent over 4 cases. I had no idea they were sending this many. I thought I was just getting one, so it's super exciting. And they also sent over a lens protector, a strap card, a screen protector, and a phone chain, which I'll show you guys because I'm super excited about this. Ever since I went to London with Honor Active, a company I work with, they introduced us to these like phone charms, and I never knew the hype about them, but now I'm obsessed with them and I'll never not have one on my phone. It's basically like a wristlet for your phone. So let's start with the cases. Here is the first one. It is super cute. It's like a bright blue shade, which is super fun. So on the outside they have like bumpers, like this is giving I could literally drop it and be totally fine, but I like that it's not like super bulky still. Like it'll definitely fit in my pocket and everything just fine. And this color is just super fun. I think it'll look really pretty with the color of my phone. This is the case that I selected just because I thought it was so cute and would look so good with the purple of the phone. So it's basically wildflower design, and then with the black boxing I thought it would be good because I have a phone wallet and it's black, and I just love that everything is MagSafe because then I can interchange my cases and always have my phone wallet on my phone because I don't typically carry a wallet. palette. And then they sent one that is just plain white with black bumpers, which is so nice, so I can have something that's nice and simple if I ever just want something plain. And then they sent me a custom one, which I was not expecting at all, and I'm super excited about. So it's just plain, but then it says Megan here on the side like that. So super cute. I'm super excited about all these. Thank you so much, Caseify, for the extra cases, and I can't wait to show you guys which one I put on my phone. They sent over a strap card. This concept is super cool. So this is what you would use if you wanted to attach the next thing I'll show you guys, but basically you put this in the bottom of the phone, like where the charging outlet is, and then you use it and you can hook something on to hold it up, which is what this is. So it is the gold snake chain sling. This was cool because I have a wristlet sling right now, but this one is more of a full body sling, which I just thought was so interesting. So basically it's like this long sling, kind of like you would have like a lanyard or something. Like I saw them wearing it like this. I saw girls wearing it like almost like a handbag, but basically what you would do is you would take this would be at like the bottom of the phone, and then you would strap these in so that it holds your phone up, and then you can hold it however you want, which is just super nifty because I feel like, especially for me, typically when I'm going and doing things, I'm also shooting for YouTube, and so I'm carrying a bunch of stuff, carrying my camera. It's just super nice to have something like that. I do have a link that I'll pop right here, as well as putting it in the description below so you guys can shop it. And I also think with the holidays coming up that this is the perfect present to get for people or to ask for yourself. Yeah, I'm gonna continue with the setup of my phone. Okay, everything transferred over perfectly to my phone. It's so cute and pretty, but I want to protect it, so I'm going to be putting on the Caseify screen protector and lens protector right now so I can feel safe holding it. And then I decided on this case to start. Let's just get into doing that. Okay, so the lens protector is on. I've never had one of these before, so I'm very interested. My main concern was like if it would cloud the camera quality, but it looks, oh my god, the phone quality on here is so good. I'm so excited about this. This is on, and I'm gonna do the front. Okay, everything is set up and I have my new case. I'm so freaking excited. I love how much easier the process is now that they do that thing where you can just transfer without like having to back it up to your computer first. So nice, but that's obviously still an option. I am all done setting it up. The Caseify accessories make me feel super safe about dropping this because I don't want to drop it. It's my new pride and joy. Drop test time! You have to drop it from like your tall self.
Should I drop it from here?
Yeah, just drop it. Literally just
let go. I'm gonna drop it. It's brand new.
It's okay, just drop it. It did not break. You look so scared.
I was like,
it's fine.
I didn't crack or anything.
No,
it was kind
literally.
of a big splat.
That was a good one. Thank you.
No cracks.
Usually doing the screen protector takes me like an hour, so I loved how quickly all of this was set up for me, and I'm just so excited and grateful to have a new phone. The big reason that I got a new phone was for storage purposes. I ran out of storage in London and I just wanted to be able to use my phone more and have more storage on it, so I got a higher gigabyte amount, and then obviously it does have a nicer camera. It does have different modes that my phone didn't have, which is going to allow me to take even better content for you guys. So I think a big reason that I could justify this purchase for myself was you guys, so I just want to say say thank you so much for the support and love on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. I'm so grateful. And yeah, that is going to conclude this video. If you guys have any questions about Caseify, about the new phone, whatever it may be, let me know. I know this was different from my normal content, but I really wanted to film an unboxing because these are so satisfying to watch. I watched a bunch of them before getting my new phone. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video, and hopefully the content you guys see an upgrade with. So love you guys. See you guys in my next video.